Hey there, so you want to know how to make a YouTube thumbnail, huh? Well, I got you covered. Let me explain it to you real quick. First things first, what exactly is a YouTube thumbnail? It's that small image you see when scrolling through videos on YouTube. You know, the one that catches your eye and makes you want to click on the video. Yeah, that's the thumbnail. Now, let's dive into how to make your very own thumbnail. The key here is to make it eye-catching and enticing. You want people to be intrigued and eager to click on your video. Start by choosing the right image. It should represent our video's content accurately. If you're making a cooking video, maybe show a mouth-watering dish. If it's a travel vlog, a beautiful destination shot works wonders. Go for something vibrant and visually appealing. Next, you'll want to add some text to your thumbnail. This is where you can
Provide a glimpse of,
what your video is about. Keep it short and snappy.
but make sure it sparks curiosity.
For example, if you're sharing a makeup tutorial, you could use a catchy phrase like, flawless glam in 5 minutes, or get ready to slay.
Along with the text,
Consider using some cool graphics or icons that complement your video's theme. This can make your thumbnail more visually appealing and attractive. Just be sure not to overwhelm it with too many elements, as simplicity is often key. Finally, make sure your thumbnail represents your personal style and brand. It should be consistent with your other videos, creating a cohesive and recognizable look across your channel. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Remember, it's all about catching people's attention and enticing them to click on your video. With a little creativity and some attention to detail, you'll be creating captivating thumbnails in no time. Happy thumbnail making!